Hello, my name is Blanche Warner, and I've been a Scrum Master for close to 10 years now. I have a track record of delivering values, working with cross functional teams, working with software development teams, and I do want to answer some few questions here today. And one of them is, what is one of the unique characteristics that consistently prompt good feedback when it comes to me? So a unique characteristics that consistently prompt positive feedback is my ability to integrate strong problem solving skills with empathetic listening. I actively listen to understand the needs and perspective of others, which allows me to identify effective solution while fostering trust and collaboration too. So another question that is being asked is, how do you use metrics to help your team improve? So I use Agile metrics as a way to provide transparency, identify trends, create opportunities, and continuous improvement rather than simply tracking output. For example, I review the velocity trend to understand the delivery consistency, cycle time, and lead time to highlight bottlenecks, and bundle charts to ensure that we are progressing towards our sprint goal. That we kind of use that during our sprint iterations, which is usually 2 weeks. I also focus on quality metrics such as team health and stakeholder satisfaction to balance delivery speed with sustainable practices. So, by discussing this insight collaboratively with the team, we identify what's working well and also what we need to adjust, which drive both performance and morale within our team. And another question that has been asked is, tell us about the largest challenge that you faced as an Agilist. One of the largest challenge that I've faced as an Agilist would be kind of guiding a team and leadership group that initially view Agile as just a set of processes rather than a mindset. So the task was to help them shift from focusing on output and rigid timeline to prioritizing value, delivering, and continuous improvement. I address this by facilitating workshops, introducing transparent metrics like lead time, customer value delivery, and creating a safe space for open retrospective. Over time, the team kind of built trust in the process. So this kind of improved predictability when it comes to our delivery. And now the team, with that process, we kind of saw high value and increment within the business. So the real success was seen both the team and leadership kind of embrace the culture of learning and adapting rather than just kind of checking boxes. And I think one of the other questions that came up was, describe the most technical team that you have worked with. So the most technical team that I've worked with was a release team that was responsible for coordinating deployment across multiple applications and environments. So they had a deep expertise in continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline, automated testing, infrastructure as code, and release governance. So my main role as a Scrum Master or Agilist was just to ensure that while the team focused on highly technical deliveries, I stayed aligned on priorities, reduced kind of bottlenecks or any impediments, and communicated progress effectively with the stakeholders by introducing agile processes such as visualizing releases and readiness on Kanban boards and holding cross-functional team syncs. So with that, we kind of improved predictability, reduced release risk, and foster strong collaborations between the developer, QA, and operations in general. Okay, I think that would be it for me. Thank you, and thank you for your time. Bye.